Hey, what's going on, folks? Hey, this is Wesley Virgin, your master mode and master virtual trainer here with 7-Day Fitness Diet. And today we're working on the abs again. Yes, we are. And I want to ask you a question real quickly before I proceed, because I got a message the other day and someone said, well, Wesley, I like your videos, you know, they're really inspiring, you got a lot of energy, but why don't you wear a shirt? Do you not own one? So are you like some type of narcissist out there? Are you vain? And I was like, I laughed a little bit. I said, oh, that's funny. I said, yes, I am a narcissist. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I'm going to be honest with you. Let me tell you why I do this, okay? One thing, I want to be transparent as possible. All right? Many people out there, they're preaching stuff, but they ain't living it, right? Everybody's doing this. How to make money online. How to get the great body. You ain't got no great body. How to make money online. You ain't got no money, right? So the thing is, I want you to see the goods, all right? Everything that I'm telling you is what I do personally. But unless you see the right, it's not believable, okay? So this is the only reason I don't own a shirt, okay? I don't wear a shirt in these videos. Let me tell you something. If you ever see me wear a shirt, if you see Wesley Virgin the Fourth put a shirt on in a video, that means something going on right here. That means Wesley ain't got it right. I don't care if I'm 80, 90 years old. I will always have this beautiful thing right here, always. Only because I work it every day, and I want to show you something, okay? Remember this, one thing, I'm going to give you some other advice. If you really want to get a flat belly, you don't have to work yourself to death when you're doing ab workouts, okay? To get it flat, it's about what you put into your body. This is what I educate my clients with, okay? This is the only reason why 7-minute workouts work, all right? It all depends on what your goal is. Some people want to be extra muscular. Some people just want to lose weight. Most people I know, they just want to lose weight, okay? Period. They said, Wesley, get rid of this poochy pooch, all right? I want it flat. I want it to look good. I don't want that big bulge, right? I want it sexy, all right? So, 1, eat the right food, okay? 2, all you have to do is simple workouts, but do them every day. I'm going to show you something that's about to blow your mind. All right, let's go. Hey, folks, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, and I'm back, and I'm ready to rock it. I'm going to show you a workout, okay, for the abs here, that's going to focus on strengthening the core, okay? Really, like I said, a lot of these workouts, I will use this in addition to eating the right foods like the wheatgrass, cocoa powder, and spirulina, right? I don't do much, but you got to detoxify the body every day, okay? You got to. So that fat stomach that you got right now, I know you got it. Hey, I love you, but you got a fat stomach, all right? And you need to fix it, okay? It's 2015, it's a new year, so I know you want to be different. Everybody does. New you in 2015. Check this out. All right, let's go to the side here, okay? What we want to do is we want to lift our feet up about 6 inches. And see that right there? Now, did you know this is by contracting your abs? It's almost like 1,000 freaking sit-ups when you hold it like this for 1 minute strong. But this is what we're going to do. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to grab your toes. Just try. Right? 8, 9. I ain't there yet. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it in the air. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Woo! That was tough. Now check this out. What you want to do is, you want to do 21, okay? Hold yourself in place. Try to grab your toes. 21, okay? Then hold for 7 seconds, okay? Right? In this position. You want to, the thing is, you want to contract those abs during the entire workout. We don't want to give those abs no rest, right? Because you ain't giving that food a rest. You ain't giving that pie and that ice cream and that little cookie that you're eating at work. And those freaking Friday morning donuts that your boss sending you, right? So you don't want to give those abs no rest, okay? 21 reps. Then a hold for 7 seconds. 14 reps. Then a hold for 7 seconds. Then 7, 7, and you're done. Do this twice a day, all right? Do this twice a day. Just do it. Let me share something with you. If you want to be different, if you want different results, okay, you got to do different things. If you're tired of being fat, if you're tired of being depressed, if you're tired of being hurt, if you're tired of being uncomfortable, if you're tired of looking at other people and you wish they had that body, let me tell you something. This is your time. Do it right now. Come on, let's do a hold together. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's hold it together. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Okay, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Yes! Hold on, wait, I forgot. Hey, if you want to know more about Wesley Version, if you want to know how I can help you, click the link below. Hey, check me out. Give me a chance. Hey, much love. Get fit with